Hey guys,
What's
going
up?
on? We're gonna do a unboxing video because this is a special gift. So for those who don't know, I'm Queenie Wei, aka the Chaos Harmonizer with Soul Vibe Capital.
And I'm Richard Walsh, the growth consultant with Chirp Media.
Where's the knife?
I don't know if I want to give you the knife.
All right, let's see what's in here. We know who it's from. Let's yeah, you probably shouldn't have given me the knife. All right.
Oh man, I love bubble wrap. What an awesome prize.
Hey, don't you, Eddie? Woo! Woo! That's what happens when you have toddlers. Woo! Okay.
She's a toddler, I guess.
I see a box. I see a box.
Ooh.
All right.
Yeah, let's move this out
So, let's see. Oh, it's a fancy looking box. All right. So we have a fancy looking box.
Ooh.
And I already know, Brute, our doggy's in here. This is from Sean Malone, Chris Baden.
You guys
from
are awesome.
Sales Ascenders and FlowChat. And we're about, ooh.
This looks fancy.
Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's
Well, why don't you bring it out?
wow. Oh, it's fancy. I'm about to get greasy hands on this, but
Oh wow.
oh. I'm sorry, it is an emotional. Okay, first off, thank you. I'm having an emotional moment. Why don't you go? What are you feeling when seeing this?
The 100K Club Award. What I'm feeling when I see this is all the hard work that we put in and how tools like FlowChat made that possible, and the coaching and the guidance from Sean and Chris. Nothing I can say more about it. Like,
I'm having a sloth moment. But thank you. So guys, we've been working with FlowChat. We just got our 100K Club Award for both Richard and I. This is a special milestone because, like Richard was saying, yes, FlowChat's been great, but it's almost foolproof. Like it is. I think I just started it when I first started this business, which is completely new this year. And it is simple, easy to use. Like I don't actually spend much time on BD. Yeah. We have VAs who are on our team who help us with this. So it is like seamless. But to get an award like this in your first year is still pretty cool.
I think we should put it next to our HubSpot Platinum trophy.
That's a plug.
Yeah.
But yes, it's gonna go on our trophy wall. So thank you guys so much, Sean and Chris. We really appreciate you guys. We love you guys. And honestly, welcome to the club.
Good job. Thank you.
All right, guys. See you soon.